Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace this small piece of lid vertical trim on your trunk. Okay, to start we need to remove this trim bracket. So we'll take out these two screws that are holding that on. Hang on to those screws and that trim bracket. Just set those off to the side for now. Then on this top corner protector, we're just going to loosen these two screws. That should be enough to help us get this vertical trim piece out. We'll take our replacement part, push that up inside of the corner protector, tighten the two screws on the corner protector, and then all we have to do is replace that trim bracket. Tighten that screw about halfway. Do the second screw. You can completely tighten that screw. We'll come back to the first one, completely tighten that, and we're done.